In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, click on Google. Then select Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, use this gear at the top right corner. Then make sure that this switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear here. Now to add any other one from those settings, use this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website, or hit Select App and tap on the chosen one. Now you can enter your username, email, or phone number. Password, and even some helpful notes. Lastly, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!